Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a login page using Tailwind CSS. As you can see here, it has standard username and password inputs, and it also has this purple button. Right. The style is quite modern, I think, with a little bit of shadows here and there, and the background has some gradient from cyan to purple. So, you want to know how it's done? Let's get into the step-by-step process. First of all, you have to install the Tailwind CSS framework. You can check out its documentation here. It's pretty easy actually. Just follow the docs and you'll be good. You can pause the video if you want to follow along. And after you finish with the installation, you can resume the video. Actually, I already installed the Tailwind CSS and I'm ready to go. So let's get started. Let me switch to index.html first. Alright. First, let's delete this. Let's make the main container, and we're gonna apply the flex box to it. We're gonna use justify center and item center to center its child element, and hscreen to maximize its height. And here is the gradient class. Cool. Now I'm gonna make the div to hold the form controls. I'm gonna use same flex, but now with flex call to push all the elements down. Add a little bit shadow. And padding. Rounded corner. Gap between elements. Let's add some logo. MX Auto to center it. Margin bottom 3. I already downloaded the logo file, so don't forget to add alt to the image. Right. Now here's the input for the username. Add some border. Padding. shadow. Oh, I forgot the title. Let's add some title. Slate color. Margin button 5. I'll come back to Google app. Please log in to access your dashboard. All right. Let's add a password control. Padding with full and some shadow. Password, placeholder, password. All right. And last, the button class. Text center, to center the text. Background purple, 600. Width full. Margin Y, 3. Text white, some shadow. All right. Now let's add some hover style to the button. Hover. Text. BG purple. 500. All right. I think we need some padding to the box here. Let's add some padding. All right. Looking good. I guess that's it. Pretty easy, right? With Tailwind CSS, you don't have to write custom CSS and switch between HTML and CSS files while working on your project. Awesome, huh? Hope you like it and you can learn something from the video. So, until next time, keep coding and build something. See you on the next video.